Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I'm going to show you one of the latest project that I've just commenced. You can see over there's the cable car. Right, so I suppose you know which property this is. Anyway, so what I'm going to show you today is what I've done to demolish certain walls and the existing flooring, kitchen, entrance, stuff like that. Okay, so let's start with the private lift lobby. So as you can see, the flooring is going to be replaced. Okay, and this is the back door. It's the private lift lobby here. This is the place where you're going to put your shoe cabinet. Our main entrance is here, so once you step up from the lift lobby, right, you got this nice open view of the other neighboring blocks. So initially the layout was there's this huge counter over here, okay, then blocking the view or you make it very cramped. There also used to be this DB area, right, where the DB is. The Wi-Fi and stuff like that is all inside this little enclosure. So the wall, right, the walls have been removed, have been hacked down. So all this will be going to be repositioned somewhere onto this wall. Right, so that makes the entrance area much wider. Okay, it opens up the view of the entire unit. Right, the light can actually pass through both ways. Over here, right, will be the kitchen. Okay, I'll show you the 3D just on top. Right, the kitchen here, but because there was some cabinet being blocked here, so this part here will have to be boxed up. This is the yard area. Okay, so yard area, you see just a washing machine and dryer. This area is going to be the fridge is. Right, the existing is all the ducted aircon. Right, all this will be removed because it takes up too much ceiling height space. Right, so all this will be removed and then do a simple false ceiling just to cover up. Right, so this part here is where the drop is, the lower ceiling height. Right, so this ceiling height will remain. Right, so come to the common bathroom. Right, because common bathroom is actually facing the living, right, or the dining area. So the entrance will be concealed as well, okay, by way of a feature wall. So in front of this feature wall is going to be a counter. It's like a serving counter here, right, come a dining area. Okay, so you have to just skirt around here before you enter to the kitchen. Okay. So for common bathroom, basically it's going to be overlaid. So that explains why I have not removed the tiles. Okay, I'm not going to do anything to this room. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. It's much bigger now once all the cabinets have been removed. Entrance to the master bathroom will also be concealed, right, by a feature wall. Right, the whole wall here will be feature wall. Right, the TV will be somewhere here, and some feature headboard over here. Okay, same for the common bathroom. The wall and floor tiles will also be overlaid. Okay, there's a bathtub area here. There's an indentation. All this is going to be filled up, flush. Right, do some waterproofing. Okay, and then it's going to be a standing shower. Okay, come to this room. Okay, this is the walk-in wardrobe area. So basically it's just left and right side. We have 2 rows of full height built-in wardrobe. Okay, and so that this layout allows more light to pass through. Okay, so not too cramped, right? The space is just nice. Okay, so today I'm just showing you what have been done for this unit at Keppel Bay. Okay, so this is the private lift lobby. The flooring will be redo, right, with the big format floor tiles. Okay, so let's go into the living area. So what you see here is basically the dining and the living. So dining, I'm going to make a dining countertop here. Okay, and at living, the TV will be on this wall, and over here will be really large feature wall, right, with LED lighting. Okay, so you can see that once the DB compartment has been demolished, right, you can see that the space is much brighter and less cramped, right, and common bathroom is going to be overlaid. Okay, so I'm not going to hack and affect all the concealed piping, right, because all this, once you hack, right, the concealed piping will have to be replaced. Okay, so over here I've added this box up wall, right, using calcium silicate. Okay, here, right, so all this will be tiled up. Okay, and then I'll do a niche where you can put the shampoos. Okay, so for this common bathroom, I've kept the layout the same. Vanity is here, WC, and then shower. So no change in configuration, but then there'll be a new look in terms of the tiles being proposed. Okay, so this is the master bedroom, right? So this is the master bathroom. Same way of doing overlaying of the floor and wall tiles. Okay, and then same here with this shampoo niche. Okay, the shower used to be here. Okay, but then now the shower has been shifted here. Right here used to be the bathtub, but right now has been converted to a standing shower. Okay, so with this recess here, I can actually do some storage cabinet, followed by a vanity, right? And WC still remains at this location.